gonna be swapping some brakes on the Volkswagen Tiguan, about like a 2019, 2018, all 4 brakes. We're gonna go pick some up from the store now. Already have one side on warranty. I mean the front on warranty. So we're gonna just swap those out. So I went and got what I used before. It's like a tool to, instead of using a C-clamp, you use this to twist the bushing or whatever back in for the brakes, the metal. This is it. Fix that flat. See, I've done them before. Back brakes that I previously done are still good. Still a lot of metal on those brake pads. So I'm gonna just tighten this back, leave this wheel on here. That's the flat that we gotta swap out. So, got the front bolts off, the front caps. The front rotor on this one is not electric like the back. I'm assuming because I don't see any cord, I don't see nothing. So we're gonna remove this one, go buy the front ones. The back one I was gonna change, but they're good enough, so we're gonna just swap out that flat tire. We got that one bolted back up, that one's good. Gotta remove this wheel and the front brakes. Then we're gonna go buy the new ones, swap them out. Front bolts off, there were 2 13s, 13mm bolts, and these bolts were 17 right here. But we got that off, this rotor's kind of whooped. Should be getting a new one, but I'm gonna swap out these brakes for now. Look at that, metal to metal, it's looking terrible. And we're gonna use our C-clamp for this one. This one turns out not to be electric, so it's perfect. So I'm just gonna put this on here. That one on there. That's it. I'm gonna wind this down. All the way back. Just so it can clear everything. See, just like that. See the difference is all the way pushed in. I'm gonna get that flat enough for the brakes to slide right onto here. Just gotta go get the new brakes now. We got our front brakes. They actually have one that has a wire right here in the back, I believe so. There we go. This is the only one that has a sensor for the front, but got all 4. And we have our tire in the back with air, so it'll be good. So now all we gotta do is just throw the brakes on, throw the tires on, and throw the wheel on with the patch. We should be good to go. That's what the hole was. Patched it. Got taken care of now. Throw these brakes on. So we got the back wheel on there. It's not flat no more. Throw the front brakes on. We already pushed it in, so we're gonna throw these on there and bolt it up. Both sides of these brakes. The rotor, the calipers pushed in already, so just open this like that. And hold on. Take off these bolts. I never want this to be hanging for a long period of time. Get this on here. There we go. So we got it on here. Nice and tight. 13mm bolts, as you can see. Just gotta put the wheel on. Okay. That's the last one. Get that side done now. Just gotta do this one last wheel. Take these brakes off. These are the old ones. Pop the wheel off. Again, I use the flathead to take these out. Stick it in there, grip it. Go. 1, everything on here. Got it nice and tight. Just gotta push the brake so it can lock back up. But we got both bolts in there, sensor plugged in. So we are good to go. Gonna throw the wheel on here. Pretty soon we're gonna have to buy some rotors immediately. These are not looking good. That's pretty much a wrap. Once again, these are size 17 bolts for the wheels, 13 for this, plus some pliers to grip it so it doesn't move. And I use a C-clamp. For the back, I use a special tool, but C-clamp works for the front easily. Thought we had a problem. It's leaking brake fluid, and I never ever jacked the car up just now, nowhere but near the wheel, so I was kind of confused. Finally got both sides, all 4 brakes done. But I know for a fact that last time I did the rear brakes, I added fluid. And now when I take it off, as you can see, it's filled up to the top. So that's just an overflow. It's leaking from up here, down there, and all around. I'm gonna wipe it. You can see it's wet, and it's just leaking all down there underneath the car. So I'm gonna pump the brakes, wipe that up, and we're gonna give this thing a wash. Super filthy. Test. Stopping perfect. So brakes are finally done and finished. Just cleaned it out. Got the brakes finished. All 4. Tiguan. All done. Got the brakes nice and finished. Alright guys, thanks for watching.